Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 10, Vibhuti Yogam. Test 26. Ashvatta Sarva Vrukshana Devarshimni cha Narada Gandharvanam Chitrarataha Siddhanam Kapilo Muni. Amongst the trees, I am the people tree, sacred fig tree. Of the celestial sages, I am Narada. Amongst the Gandharvas, I am Chitraratha. And amongst the Siddhas, I am sage Kapila. वृक्षों में मैं भरगत का वृक्ष हूँ और देव ऋषियों में मैं नारद हूँ, गांधर्वों में मैं चित्ररथ हूँ, सिद्ध पुरुषों में मैं कपिल मुनि हूँ. వృక్షములలో నేను రావి వృక్షమును, దేవర్షులలో నారదుడును, గంధర్వులలో చిత్రరథుడును, సిద్ధులలో కపిలుడును అయి యున్నాను. Practical applications. Bhagavan says, the whole universe is mine. All living beings belong to me. I am the supermost in all the fields. Amongst the trees, I am the people tree, worshipped by many. I am Narada, the great Muni, who travels all the lokas chanting Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. The Gandharva planet is filled with great singers. I am the best singer, Chitraratha. And among the perfect living beings, I am the sage Kapila. Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.